In today's Science Corner, we are going to watch an egg drop. Here are the materials we need: a raw egg, a glass of water, a piece of cardboard, and an empty toilet roll. First, I will place the cardboard on top of the glass of water. Next, I will place the toilet paper roll standing in the middle of the cardboard. Then, I will balance the egg on top of the toilet paper roll so that the egg is lying on its side. If I hit the side of this cardboard so that it falls off, do you think the egg will go flying off the cardboard or land in the water? Let's see what happens. That is Newton's first law of motion, and it says that an object at rest wants to stay at rest unless a force is applied to it. While the egg is balancing on the toilet roll, it isn't moving. So even when you remove what is holding it, it ends up staying in the same place. This can illustrate the concept of marriage and the family. The egg is like the family unit. Sometimes we may go through difficult trials as a family, and at times our world may seem to crumble around us. But if we stay rooted in Jesus, He will help us through the most difficult moments, just like the water protected the egg from cracking. Jesus can keep our family together, even through trials and tribulations.